What are those?
Fishy.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That is a very nice present. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's mesmerized. Wow. That is so nice, Jolene. Wow, look at the fish is swimming, huh, Aisha? Wow.
Pretty cool little fish.
It is amazing.
Is that Nemo?
Yeah.
You see Nemo?
Yeah. I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Can hold it?
Well, Betty, sit on this chair. You can hold it. Get out. It's closer to you. Get it. You want to hold it? You can. Wow. That is so nice. How many fish do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fish. Wow.
Lots of fishies.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this. What is this behind? Is that coral?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Is this in the sea? In the ocean?
Yeah.
Who else lives in the ocean? Sure, you can hold it. Yeah, you can't hold the fish, Betty, because it's inside. Gotcha? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's a nice present.
That's my present.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is so nice. Will you take it home tonight?
Yep.
Hmm? We show it to Mommy and Daddy? Huh? Say, Mommy, Daddy, look what Jolene got for me. Huh? Wow. Better than a fish tank. You don't have to clean it. Huh?